Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ṣé wàá pa? Orúkọ tèmi ni Ọlámídé. Èmi mò ń kọ́ yín bó ṣe ń program ní èdè Yorùbá. Okay, nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe lénìí ni pé a fẹ́ install Visual Studios 2019 edition and the community edition. Ó ní several editions, àwọn bíi Ultimate and all of that. Àwọn edition wa tẹ́ ń pé o ní láti sanwó kó tó lè activate wọn. But the community edition yìí ó free. Nǹkan tó kọ̀ máa ní láti ṣe ni pé kó ní Microsoft account. So but o lè ṣe download, o ṣe lè install ẹ̀. I think wọ́n máa fún ẹ ní like 30 days free trial. So hopefully kó ti create Microsoft account so that wàá lè activate ẹ̀ kó tó ní pé máa deactivate account yìí. So it's free. The community edition for Visual Studio is free. The only thing tó ní láti ní ni kó ní Microsoft account, and you don't need láti sanwó láti ní Microsoft account. Wàá kọ́ create, as a matter of fact, tó bá fẹ́ activate Visual Studio o lè create Microsoft account ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ náà. So wọ́n make it kó wà very easy bẹ́ẹ̀, you know. So tó bá fẹ́ install, just lọ sí Google, go type install Visual Studio 2019 community, wọ́n máa rí so many sites. So just click on anyone tó bá rí Visual Studio community Microsoft. Just make sure pé o lọ sí Microsoft site gangan so that wàá lè download, so lọ download nǹkan tó yẹ kó download to the system. So wàá máa ti rí Visual Studio, free Visual Studio and all of that. So you can just click on download Visual Studio at the Visual Studio community. So to bá ti click on download Visual Studios, o máa download the installation file yẹn fún ẹ. So o ti download it. Only this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep? So just click on the keep. As long as pé orí Microsoft ló ti wà, so that there is no cause for alarm. Okay, so mo ti download it. Tó bá ti rí inside, wá ti rí. So just bring it up, open it, or you can say show in folder so that wàá lè only. So double click it. So exe file I'm gonna need, at least for now. Exe file I'm gonna need. So my beauty, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just say yes. As long as you go Visual Studio to download lórí Microsoft website, kó má lọ download nǹkan tó máa affect system. So in Visual Studio installer, before you get started, we need to set up a few things. Okay, just continue. Click on continue. So máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fetch àwọn files fún verifying files downloaded, unpacking and installing. But what about in Visual Studio? Maybe other versions. Only around 2017, 2019, 2012. They are still very good for you to follow along and whatever. So we're almost done getting everything ready. About install, about the motivation, our initialization files, about to get everything ready. We might be our options you have one. So depending on our to fẹ́ máa fi software to fẹ́ máa fi Visual Studio develop. Then be ASP.NET and web application fẹ́ máa fi kọ web applications. You can check this. Èmi máa lò because èmi máa need delay because èmi mo ti develop applications already. So this is for ASP.NET and web development. So to want to share anything on web applications, web APIs and all of that, we need that to install it. Python development, I teach Python. Node.js, I teach Node.js. Azure development, I teach .NET desktop development. See, only láti tó bá ti hard delay. Tó bá fẹ́ follow me fún àwọn nǹkan tá bá ṣe, o ní láti add delay. Just add this one. .NET desktop development. Because if I láti máa rí console web, because nǹkan tá fẹ́ ṣe, àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó they are basically console applications. So eléyìí nìkan ló need, o ní láti install eléyìí, o lè uncheck eléyìí. So tó bá ti, because tó bá check púpọ̀ jù, the more tó bá check, the more tí so ṣe really nsìn. Mo check .NET desktop development. Size is 4.25 gigabytes. Tí máa hard eléyìí sínsìn, kí ló máa fún mi? Ó tún fún mi ní 7.07 gigabytes. The more features that you had, the larger the size. So mi mọ̀ bí o ní data púpọ̀. Tó máa data púpọ̀, o lè check as many of àwọn nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ fi lò, but just to follow this tutorials. Just uncheck this so that ó máa tètè download fún ẹ, and tó bá ti install ẹ, tó bá ti even after tó bá ti install, ó lè padà, you can go back, right, láti add additional features. So tó bá ti level nípa tí fẹ́ máa develop application, because a ṣe máa débẹ̀ very soon, tá máa develop full web applications, tá bá ti dé level yẹn, a lè padà wá láti wá check ilé, but I think èmi máa need ẹ̀, jẹ́ kí èmi kàn mọ̀, and I have enough data ní tèmi, so ìwọ tó bá ní enough data má bother. So mo ti select àwọn basically méjì tí mo need. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ máa develop mobile app using Xamarin, o lè mú yẹn náà, so okay, I think that's good for now. Mo sọ fún ẹ, tó ń go fẹ́ máa kọ̀ follow àwọn nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó ẹ ní series yìí, this is enough for you. .NET desktop development, that's all that you need. Okay, so ẹ ká install. So bá ti click on install, so máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe kí ni, máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí install àwọn nǹkan tó need. Only take some time depending on the quality of your internet, so ẹ kó máa install lọ, tó bá ti install tán, a máa continue. Alright, so finishing up, ó máa ní láti dúró díẹ̀ so that máa lè parí, so tó bá ti restart system ẹ, right, so o lè search from your system, search for Visual Studios 2019. No more, I mean, so many Visual Studio version here, just tó bá ti fi Visual Studio sí, then 2019 nìkan ló ní o máa rí, but tá a ṣe install since 2019, so Visual Studio 2019, click on it. So welcome, connect to all your developer services and also o lè sign in tó bá ti ní Microsoft account. Tó bá ti ní Microsoft account, you can just only click, not now, maybe later. Well, let me sign in because I have a Microsoft account already. So we're getting things ready. So mo ti sign in with my Visual Studio account me. So we're getting things ready. So go to my ring. So we're done. Congratulations at install Visual Studios 2019. So to create new project, you click create new project. Okay, so to click create new project, ó máa gbé nǹkan tó wà báyìí fún ẹ tó bá yín pé Visual Studio 2019 ló ń lò. So tó bá rí a fún ẹ all languages, àwọn language tó lè kọ code lórí ẹ̀ ní táwọn máa kọ for this tutorials ní C#. So lè click C#. Ó bá ṣe ń click C#, wọ́n máa reduce gbogbo àwọn items based on àwọn nǹkan tó select, a máa fún ẹ láwọn possible templates tó lè lò. So of course first on Windows, all project types, then we console application ló fẹ́ kọ, bí most of nǹkan tá a máa ṣe for this series basically console applications. So lè select console, so ṣé níbo ti reduce gbogbo àwọn template yẹn sí just to ká ní web applications ló fẹ́ kọ, ó máa show ẹ gbogbo àwọn possible templates tó lè lò, but since we are using console, just click on console on Windows. Tó bá fẹ́ target multiple platforms, then o lè lo .NET Core. .NET Core ó máa jẹ́ kó lè create applications that lè run on all platforms. Tó bá select .NET, tó bá select .NET framework, nǹkan tó máa lè ṣe àwọn applications tó bá develop can only run them on Windows platform basically. So nǹkan tó máa ṣe nìyẹn, well, a lè ṣe .NET framework and then click on next. So ó máa create template yẹn, so you can give the name of your hello world fún hello world application tá fẹ́ kọ for the next class, and you only find location, and put the name of the solution and then create. But the next class I'm create our very first application in .NET. So ẹ bá mi ká lọ, see you in the next class. Thank you, bye.